All right, everybody wants to know exactly how much snow we're going to get and when we're going to get it. We're going to focus on the forecast now. And KDKA First Alert meteorologist Ron Smiley is the man with the answers.
Yes, he is. And Ron, overnight, the National Weather Service issued that winter storm warning.
Yes.
And the timing of it is interesting.
Yeah, normally that happens 24 hours out. I mean, and that's what they say that they're going to do. It happened early, just shy of 48 hours out from this event. And one of the reasons why you think that is that because A, their confidence is very high that this event is going to go on, and that they want to bring out awareness of the impact of this event as well. So we are looking at this, the official forecast that we have here at KDKA. If you are between I-70 and I-80, pretty much all of those folks, you're looking at 6 to 12 inches of snow. The snow totals won't be probably as high just to the south of I-70 because there is going to be a chance we have just a little warm air that sneaks into these communities and brings, even with the temperature as cold as they are, brings some sleet pellets instead of snow. That'll bring down those numbers. And then because you're just a little bit further away from the low track, if you're north of I-80, your numbers, at least with this system by itself, it's going to be a little bit lower at around 5 to 10 inches of snow. I really think if you're in the Pittsburgh area, those numbers, we're going to be starting off at around 8 or 9 inches is what it looks like, and going up to that 12-inch range. The reason why we have the 6-inch range there is because if we do see some drier air on the front side, especially of the system, we might see those lower totals. But really everything is pointing to some big totals coming in from the system. Here's what it looks like right now. It's going to come together, this system, over the course of the morning hours. It's going to slam parts of Texas, Oklahoma into Arkansas with freezing rain, ice. Oh, it's going to be a big mess down there. Snow just north of I-40, including up into the Memphis area. And we'll continue to see that snow changing over to an ice chance, an ice storm for those folks right along I-40 in that corridor. That is going to be a huge story. For us, the snow is expected to arrive probably at around midnight, maybe a little bit earlier than that on Sunday. It will stick around. Once the snow gets here, we expect to see a fairly steady snow through the overnight hours into the day on Sunday, wrapping up finally at time on Monday morning. But it's going to be plenty of snow working its way through before this all comes to an end. The other big story is our temperatures. We're at 21 right now. We have already seen our high temperature for the day. Winds out of the west at 10 miles an hour, and we'll continue to see wind chills. You can see those temperatures here. Our wind chills are down near 10 degrees at this point. Let me get over to your 7-day. 26 today for your high, but again, temperatures dropping for the rest of the day. We will see some sunshine later today with those temperatures steadily dropping. By 7 o'clock, we'll be down to around 10 degrees, and I have us at 2 degrees for our temperature just before midnight today. That's why you see that 2 there. Saturday, we're looking at a high temperature of 15 degrees, but overall, our morning lows, that's what we really are looking at. We're down to 0 for the morning low. Not as cold Sunday and Monday as that big storm rolls through, but then we're back to cold weather, frigid temperatures heading into next work week. 0 your Tuesday and Thursday morning expected lows, and I have us below 0 for a low on Friday morning.